Hello everyone, I'm Lata. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, ESP Engineering College, Karur. I'm going to tell about the cloud computing. The cloud computing is an on-demand delivery of computing services such as the servers, storage, database, networking, software, and analytics. So actually, cloud computing is a distributed environment. It will provide services as a servers, storage, database, networking, software, and analytics. Cloud used in various areas. So the usage of cloud is particularly for the data backup, disaster recovery. If any damages of the data in stored environment, then email, virtual desktop. So if you are not having a sufficient desktop to make a networking, then we can use a virtualized desktop from the cloud computing, software environment, development and testing. So cloud is providing a facility to develop a web-based development, software development and testing tools also available. Big data analytics and analyzing a large amount of data and customer facing web applications. So mainly the cloud is supported to develop applications with various resources remotely. And this is a diagram which shows that the cloud computing. Actually, the cloud have the server, storage, mobile applications and database. So database means it's having a large amount of data to store customers applications, and applications storage. Actually, we can download directly from the application store to the system and mobile. This is one of the interface to communicate with the cloud computing and storage. Supposed to store customer details, large amount of data we can store through the storage, and these are all now collectively participated in the cloud computing distributed environment. The customer can access the resources whenever need. That is with the on-demand delivery of services. And there's a three kind of cloud is. First one is private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. So these are type of the cloud is available. So with this, we can use the services. The essential characteristics of the cloud computing: on-demand self-service. So this is whenever a customer need any resources without interaction with any human, can utilize directly from the cloud. And there's a broadband network access. So cloud computing supports to networking, so we can access a broad network from the cloud. And resource pooling. So cloud is having a large amount of ready resources are available in the pooling. Whenever we need, we can access from the resource pooling. Then rapid elasticity, which means that we can enlarge the access of resources, and we can limit the uses of the resources. Whenever we need a ready to use immediately, then the cloud will support if it is available the requested resources. That is a rapid elasticity and measured services. So what configuration is expected, if it is available, it will supports in the distributed environment. Then cloud service model. There is a three popular known cloud service models is there. First one is the software as a service, SaaS. The capability provided to the customer is to use the provider's applications running on a cloud infrastructure. The customer's application can able to run in the cloud infrastructure. These applications are accessible from various client devices. That is, various devices participated in the cloud, and through the either a thin client interface or such as a web browser, example web-based email, or a program interface, example Google spreadsheet. Cloud service models. Cloud infrastructure as a service can abbreviated as IaaS. The capability provided to the provision, processing, storage, networks, and other fundamental computing resources. Customer can deploy and run arbitrary software. So the developed applications can be deployed directly to the software through the software. Example, Amazon Web Services and the FlexiScale. These services are providing a variety of services for the customer they can use easily. The platform as a service, abbreviated as a PaaS, the capability provided to the customer is to deploy onto the cloud infrastructure customer created or acquired applications created using programming languages, libraries, services, and tools supported by the provider. So here is for the development of applications, the cloud is provided various applications to develop. And here is they are providing services to deploy the developed applications to the cloud. And this is a three different kind of cloud services. So cloud clients. What are our cloud clients? So what are our devices participated to the cloud is called a cloud client. So example is web browser, mobile app, thin client, terminal emulated. So these are all called cloud clients. Through this only we can access the resources. And SAS, what are the software as a services are supported by the cloud is CRM, email, virtual desktop, communication and games, etc. And PaaS is execution runtime, database, web server and development tools. And this IaaS, infrastructure as a service, is the virtual machine, server, storage, load balancer, etc. So we have discussed about that it supports to the rapid elasticity. So that is in this year, load balancer supports to manage the load balancer. So types of cloud. Private cloud. What is a private cloud? The cloud infrastructure is operated solely for an organization. So particularly it is developed and used by an organization. Example, Windows Server, Hyper-V. Then community cloud. The cloud infrastructure is shared by several organizations supported a specific goal. So several organizations can be accessed in the community. Same example, educational, etc. Public cloud. The cloud infrastructure is made available to the general purpose. So which means that the Google document particularly is for the specific purpose only. Spreadsheet also can be shared to the many person for the specific person. So these are all public cloud. So overall in the users in the accessing the resources can access. So the access rights is at the public one. Hybrid cloud. This cloud infrastructure is composition of two or more cloud. Example, combining the private or community or public, we can say this is a hybrid cloud. Example, cloud bursting for load balancing between clouds. So this is a cloud and virtualization. So mainly, we are not accessing as a physical part of a cloud environment. We are using as a virtualization of cloud. So that is a cloud and virtualization. What is virtual workspace? So which means that an abstraction of the execution environment that can be made dynamically available to authorized clients by using the well-defined protocol. With the help of protocol, we will have an environment to use the cloud. And the resource quota, that is CPU and memory. So this also we can access as a remotely as a visual manner. And software configuration. So if we are not having a OS for supporting developing any applications, we can get it from the cloud as a virtual. So the configuration is also be available in the cloud. So implement on virtual machines. How what is a virtual machine? How it is implemented? So virtual machine means it is nothing but a system will use remotely from the cloud computing to our environment. So that is called a virtual machine. So abstraction of the physical host machine. Hypervisor is intercept and emulates instruction from the virtual machine and allows management of virtual machines. So here is the application store is there. Like these applications are in the Google store. And this operating system, it's supposed to access these applications with the help of hypervisor. And this is the hardware, this is the environment in the configuration environment. So VMware and Zen KVM are popular known virtual machines. Provide infrastructure as application programming interface, plugins to the hardware support structures. So it provides a various structures to plug in the application programming interface. So virtualization in general, what is the advantages of virtual machine? And run operating systems where the physical hardware is unavailable. So it can be used virtually when the hardware, physical hardware is not available, and easier to create a new machines, backup machines, etc. Particularly the cloud is used to back up the storage. So we will use it for the safety purpose. So backup machines, software testing using installs of operating systems and the software. It emulates more machines than are physically available. So physically available, if there is a networking, we are having only two systems. We need two more systems to the networking. Then we can get the two virtual machines from the cloud. So timeshare lightly loaded systems on the host. Debug problems also be reduced in the debug problems can be reduced when you are using in the cloud. And easy migrations of virtual machines. So shutdown needed or not. Run legacy systems. So this is a virtual machines. So as I said, in the virtual machines, there will be a guest OS is used to communicate with the operating system to the local environment. And this is the environment actually a hardware. And this is a virtual machine monitor, that is or hypervisor. With the help of, we are making the virtual machine connection there will be a operating system. This is a REST OS. REST operating system is used to communicate between the app to hardware. So performance is used in the virtual means that best performance is para virtualization. Example is saying is very close to the raw physical performance. Then cloud sourcing. Why it is becoming important? So using high scale or low cost providers. So nowadays no need to make a physical setup. Instead of it, we can use the virtual machines. So anytime, any place access via web browser. Rapid scalability, incremental cost and load sharing. Can forget needed to focus on local IT. Okay, then in the concerns, what concerns we are using the cloud? Performance, reliability and the SLAs, control of data and services parameters, application features and choices. Nowadays, more application features are available in the cloud. So that we can use it directly from that applications. Cloud application features and choices, interaction between cloud providers, and no standard application programming interface, mix of SOAP and REST, privacy, security, and compliance trust. So that only we are trying to store large amount of data. We are trying to use the virtual machines or a server for the backup of our information. So that we are using the cloud. Thank you.